Let's see, is the old gator lift still up 143 Charlotte Street? Please don't be closed. Yes. Please still be in here. I haven't been here before, but myself here before. But let's see if it's still here. Yes. It is. So lift at 143 Charlotte Street. Look at this. Still original. Here it is. One speed, I think. The door doesn't try and close itself like nomads. Let's do a cab view before we go anywhere. Okay, let's go. Still makes that funny sound. Look at that. That old shaft. Oh, it's one speed. Okay. Listen to the motor. Wow. Listen to that. This is amazing. This is my new favourite lift. Better than Nomads. See how far look how big this gate is. Just open it. Look at that. It's got the floor in, get out and have a look at the top floor. Lift doors are not automatic. It's either they really like this old lift or they don't have enough money to get a new one. Hopefully it's the first option. It sounds hydraulic kind of, but it's definitely traction. Who maintains it? Otis, of course. That's good, because Otis does a good job at maintaining old lifts. I know what brand this is. Stupid camera. Let's get a good photo. Just in case this goes, and get some good photos of it. What's down here? This motor room. Let's go downstairs. Okay, here's the floor below. Let's call it here. Haha. This thing's original completely. No man just has a replacement logic. I think because it does 2-speed leveling. One more ride to ground. Used only for leveling accurately at landings. Huh. Let's do one more cab view. Let's go down to 1. I know what this door's for. Yeah, there's no landing that has that door. Maybe basement, I'm not gonna go down there because I don't look at the buttons. This is. I love that sound. Okay. That's it. I'll come back here every time I go to the city. Of course, this thing's too epic to not. Okay, goodbye, I'll lift.